In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a zine in Canva. If you've ever tried to design a zine and got stuck thinking about page size, folding, margins, or print layout, this process will make things much easier. Canva gives you a simple way to build a clean, printable zine without needing advanced publishing software. And today I'll walk you through the setup from start to finish in a way that's easy to follow. Start by opening Canva and going to your home dashboard. From there, head to the top right and click Custom Size. Before entering your dimensions, change the measurement unit to inches. Then set the width to 5.5 inches and the height to 8.5 inches. This creates a standard half-letter portrait layout, which is a popular size for zines because it's compact, practical, and easy to print. Once your new design opens, don't place your text and artwork right away. Since zines are often folded or stapled, it's important to create safe boundaries so nothing important gets too close to the edge or disappears into the center fold. Go to File, open View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. You'll now see guides around the page that help you keep your layout neat and print-friendly. This small step can save you a lot of frustration later. Next, begin building your visual layout. On the left-hand side, click Elements. You can browse through photos if you want to use imagery or use shapes to create bold graphic blocks and containers. Drag your chosen image or shape onto the page, then resize it by pulling the corners evenly. This helps you create a strong focal point and gives your zine a more intentional, designed look. After that, it's time to add your text. Click Text in the left sidebar, then choose Add a Heading or Add a Body Text box depending on what you need. Type in your content, then use the toolbar to choose a font that matches the style of your zine. As you move your text boxes around, Canva will show alignment guides to help everything snap neatly into place. Try to keep your cover titles short and visually balanced so the page doesn't feel crowded. When your pages are designed, do a final check before exporting. Click the grid view icon in the bottom right to review your full layout and make sure your zine pages are arranged properly in groups of 4, which is important for folded booklet printing. Then click Share, choose Download, and change the file type to PDF print. Turn on crop marks and bleed for cleaner trimming, then click Download to export your high-resolution zine. That's it. You now have a zine layout that's ready for printing and much easier to assemble with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you